Good morning, everyone. This is Friday morning and placed two NQs, March 26, uh, shorting them, and I need to place a stop loss on it right away. So let's do that, and that will protect us
Order
from
submitted.
losing our shirt. Right, change it to this here. All right, so we are right now at about 500 plus minus on this here. This may turn out to be perhaps the best trade of the day, placed at the right time. Let's hope it works out that way. What is going on here? I do not know. Okay. Anyways, we are at right now. Let me bring this thing up so that we can keep an eye on how much we are in. We are at about 600 plus some change, making this trade here. It will go back and forth, but I am very hopeful that we can easily make a few $1,000s on this particular trade. Let's hope it turns out that way. When I say hope, meaning again, based on the calculations, this should be the outcome. And this may prove to be better than yesterday, right? I just share my trading styles, and that's what it is. It is not an advice to anyone how to do it, but just to encourage people to take interest in these trades and do the homework and start making some money. There is, depending upon how you will understand this news, financial news, good or bad, depending upon your political ideology, Supreme Court strikes down Trump's most sweeping tariffs. So that should help. Looks like the economy will get better. So where we are right now, we are 800 plus and counting. And I'm counting on some big move here where we can make a truckload of money in these. There you go. We are about 1,000 plus. As I said, this is a trade. I would say at least maybe perhaps a $4,000 trade here. We are already at about 1,000 plus minus, and we have been in only for about what 3 minutes or so. So it's looking good, but we should always be prepared for any eventuality. This may, have jerking up and down on it, but I'm confident it's going to be a good trade. Why is this particular graph not moving? I do not know. This should be moving. We can see this screen was jammed, but all right. You can look at other three screens and they should be working fine. So we are about 1,200 plus here, back and forth. So far, so good. But we have made $1,000. We can be out of this trade here, but I'm confident that this trade will yield more than $1,000. I'm going to hang in there and see how much money we can squeeze out a little bit for us in this huge market. As I have always said and maintain, that this is just to show that there is money to be made in trading, but one must pay attention to that. You have to do your own homework. I only encourage that take interest in this here, and hopefully that it may also work very well for others as well. Not saying that you should copy my style, although by the time you look at this information which I present on YouTube is already late. So again, there are risks and there are rewards when you trade. But if you do your homework, I emphasize on homework and whatever your method of trading is, just go by that. This is my way of doing it, and that's where we are right now. We are going somewhere between 1400 to 1700, and hopefully a couple of thousand looks like would be no issue at all. But can we make, let's say, about 4,000 out of this trade here? So I'm going to hang in there and see if it works my way. If not, well, we'll call it a day. We'll be out of this trade here. But it should give us more money, right? So far, so good. We are in this trade here for about close to 6 minutes or so, and we are doing so far so good. Yesterday we were in a long haul. I could have gotten out of my short and gone into a long trade, and you saw that if I would have switched to a long trade, which I didn't do the homework on the long, it would turn out to be what, $3,000, $3,500 trade. There was right there. So we can make money if we do our work right. But since I was hanging on to mine, I went through that up and down emotion. So look at that. We are already at 2,000 plus here, and this continues to flow in the direction as I was projecting. $2,000 in the bank, and it's keep on trucking. And as I said, this is a good trade, a solid trade, which can make close to perhaps $4,000. Should we be greedy? No. If you look at it, we put in 2,000, we have already made 100% plus on the money, and it's hitting 3,000 as we speak. And let's say how far it will take us. So I'm hanging in there to see that I can squeeze out what, say about 4,000. Can we do it? Well, let's hope we can. We are hitting just about hitting the 3,000 mark, and should we take a break by making 3,000 and be out of this trade and get not so greedy, or should we hang on to 4,000? That's a thing you always calculate as well, because market can go, either way. We have absolutely no control on this. But right now it is looking good. We are past the 3,000 mark. We are hitting the 4,000 mark. And I think the moment it hits a 4,000 mark, I'll be out. We have, although it is going to yield more results than the 4,000. 4,000 was the minimum I was expecting. This could be I would say this can be, if we hang in there, it can turn out to be a $10,000 trade. This could very well be. We are going in the right direction. We have shorted. Look, we have hit the 4,000 mark. 4,000 was I was expecting the minimum. Should I continue to hold on to it? Oh, from 4,000 you're back down to, that happens. That's the nature of the beast. It's not necessarily that you will make whatever you think you will make. And we got, is this a temporary stop, a temporary pullback, and then it will go further down? I hope so. I'm still encouraged that I should hang in there, and from our 4,000 mark, we can take it to a 5,000 mark. We can bring our stop loss down. We don't have to take such a big hit, so let's bring it down. That we can still make money. Should the market turn, we would still have a nickel in our pocket. I'm still confident that this is going to be another couple of $1,000 trade here. Would it be? I'll find out real quick. We are again hitting the 4,000 mark, which we were at earlier. And would it continue to flow our way? We shall see. Right now, the buyers have put a temporary dent on it, saying, hey, you can't go anymore. You have enough of money intake here. And I'm going to hang around and see what happens to this trade here. We know we hit the 4,000 mark. We could have made a 4,000, double the money we put in. Is it making a turn back, a slight pull back? Oh, we dropped from 4,000 to, my God, to less than 3. Oh, well. Should I be pulling out at this time? I am still thinking it is a slight dent there. How about we take our $4,000 and then just see where the market goes after that? But it will continue to flow south. We are at $3,400, and it is right now giving some emotional turbulence. But I'm going to hang in there. I'm still confident that it is a $6,000 trade. I had marked it at 4, and there you go, it just touched the 4,000 mark again. Would it yield more than that? I'm hoping that the sellers will push it further down, and there you go. We made our double the money, 2,000 in, 4,000 out. Is that where I should stop and not salivate more? What do you say? What do you think? Well, look, we are hitting the 5,000 mark. We're just about there at the 5,000 mark. And as I was trumpeting earlier that this is a solid, there you go, we hit the 5,000 mark. Can we just squeeze out 6,000 out of this? I tell you what, it go below it take us into more than 6,000. I think I'll be happy by just taking 6,000 and be out of this year. It is right now at 52 plus change, and we are still going good. We will hit the 6,000 mark and will close the trade. How about that? I'm ready, trigger happy to take 6 and be happy. Although I know that it will continue to flow in the direction I have projected. We are getting very close. We are at 5,900 now. We are back to 57. Let's see what happens. We have a temporary hiccup here again. But at 6,000, let's be out. And then wherever the market goes, let other people take some money. I'm okay with 6,000. So I'm going to hang on until we make our 6,000 and be out. We are hitting 59, 58. Let's see. Oh, there we just hit the 6,000 mark. And it is all right for us. It is 6,000. I'm not going to stay on any longer because I planned for 4, and then I said, how about we can take 6 out of this year, and it will give us 6 and more. But I'm okay with 6. How about that? Makes me happy that trade was well meant, well placed, right time. Yesterday we had several hiccups. Right now we're back down to maybe 5 here, but it should technically keep flowing our way. We are right there, vacillating between 5 and 6. I hope that we take the 6 out of this year. The sellers are pushing it where they're saying we won't let the buyers have their way for now at least, because the buyers had their way earlier. They took the market real high, and right now the sellers look like have a heavy institutional money into this year. And would we hit the 6,000? I think we should hit it easily. There you go, we are at 58, and we hit the earlier 6 but didn't catch it right away. But should I hang on after 6? No, I think it's okay. I'm happy with 6. That would be a good Friday for all of us. Maybe this is the blessings from the Almighty that that you are rewarded. And this may be one of those days here. It is a slight hiccup here. We are hitting 5,800, 59. There we go. 6,000. We just clicked. Went back down. Buyers are not giving the sellers. There you go. 6,000, 6,100. And as I said, I will close here. How about we close right, just about. We got at 6,000 plus, 6,000, 6,000 and counting, back down to 59. Are we going even longer in there? I think I'm
Order
going to stop.
filled.
We closed it at 61.55, 6,155 traded 2 NQs, March 26th. How about that? Now that's my way of investing and trying to make a nickel here. It does not mean that others should follow the same thing. You are on your own. I share this, that be encouraged and do it yourself. In no way that I would say that hand your money to someone. Never do that. Do your homework. Do know what you're doing. Be fully in command. Work your system before you start putting money into this here. All right, we are done with this here. When the market will go back and forth, does not matter. We put in 2,000 in NQ, shorting it, and now we made 6,155 for the day. Call it a day here, right? How about that? Well, have a beautiful weekend. It's going to be a nice weekend here in Houston, Texas. And I'll go take a walk. God bless you all. Bye.